Alright guys, I would like to share with you guys how to modify a bed backboard when it doesn't fit on your frame. If you notice this one, this is a weird one guys. This one sits in between full and queen. This is a full-size frame. And if you notice, the legs fit on the side of where the frame what do you call that? The plate where you put the frame and the backboard. Where the frame's at, it's in the middle. So what I had to make here, and this is what this video is about, how to make this. So basically, what I did is I measured from here. Hold on a second. I measured from here. From the start of the plate here to the end of the backboard here. And then what I did is I cut myself a nice little piece of wood. I think it was 3 inches, so 3 inches from here to here. And I think it's a 3x3, so 3 inches and 3 inches down. And so then I bolted on that piece of wood to the frame itself, right there, as you could see. And then I simply drilled a hole on this side of the wood, and then drilled a hole on the backboard there. So now, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So now you get your bolt, and you put it through, Again, I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. This bolt is kind of, the hole is kind of bigger than the bolt. Hold on a sec. So what I did is I got me a smaller bolt, because that one was too big. It was too fat. But I got this one now. It's a 4-incher. This one should fit a lot better. Hold on a second. I'll need to give me a camera guy. But anyway, so this will go through, all the way through. Check it out, guys. Alright, now where did the nut for that go? I think I dropped it somewhere. But anyway, it's around here somewhere. Here it is. Alright, so here's the nut for it. Of course, we're gonna need a washer there as well, but where'd it go? I keep dropping it. Hold on a sec. It's over here. Alright, so now we put this guy on this side, the nut. Tighten it good. No, I'm just using one. You guys can use 2 of them if you want. You guys can actually drill another hole down here and use 2 of them, but with my experience, 1 is enough. So there we go. Do the same thing on the other side, and now your backboard fits your frame. And it doesn't look too bad. This is a bed that we're going to be selling, a full-size bed. There's the mattress over there, but that's how I had to do it so I can be able to sell this bad boy. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if this helped you guys. If you guys had the similar problem with one of these headboards or backboard or whatever you guys want to call it. Let me know if you guys had the same problem happen to you guys, and if this fix has helped or whatever fix you guys have done, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.